Welcome to our channel 4G School, a new way of learning through technology. My English book 8, Standard 8. Be the best. Let's solve the workshop. Read the words, names given below. Put the big sized bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle. Muski, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star or trail. Here is two circles. You have to write big one in big circles and small one in small circles, just like pine, sun, highway, lake, tree and musky in the big circle, and scrub, reel, bush, bass, star and trail is small circle. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Hill, reel. B, tree. C is a grass, bass. D, make, lake. Complete the following with appropriate word phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. If you can't be a musky, be a bass. If you can't be a captain, we have got to be crew. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be the star. Write whether the followings are true or false. All must be the captains of the teams. False. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. It is true. We win or fail depending upon size or position. False. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Whether job you have, do your best. True. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. The title of the poem is Be the Best. The poem is written by Douglas Malloch. The poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second, third and fourth. The poet compares big things with the small things. If you can't be is a repeated expression in this poem. The line I shall always remember is be the best of whatever you are. This is the solution of your workshop of Standard 8. Do subscribe our channel 4G School for your further studies and new educational videos. You will be notified if you subscribe our channel and solve this activity as fast as possible.